1988 Ford F-150 XLT Lariat built. Low bag, they got some custom work done to it. Then we did the custom work on the exhaust, long tube headers there and there. Then we put in 2 high flow cats there and there. Then True Dueled it into a Flowmaster Super 40 or Original 40, part number 425404. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then we rounded out the back on each side with 4-inch black tips to complete the look. There it is, right there. And right there, looks a lot nicer, a lot cleaner now. So it's a full True Duel system, as you guys can see. Came out absolutely beautiful. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
Well, it's still working on it. He's still timing it, so. And then the headers, they're still not tightened down yet. So he's gonna put new gaskets in it and everything. Back it up. A little bit at a time. We'll get her all fixed up. Going on the trailer again to the next shop for timing.